Sometimes you may want to add a widget to your home screen on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you just how to do that. Hi, I'm Bertrand. Welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is you want to tap on an open space on your home screen and hold. Next, you will see the jiggle mode appear. In the upper left-hand corner, tap the plus sign. Now you can choose the widget that you want to add by scrolling down and picking one, or you could type a name of the widget in the search widgets. We're going to add a calendar. Tap on the calendar, and now you have different modes that you can use. In the lower bottom middle, you'll notice the dots in the center. You can scroll through to choose which size or widget that you want to add. I'm going to add the list. Then you tap the plus, add widget, and then you go to the upper right hand corner and you tap done. Now the widget has been added to your home screen. To remove or delete the widget, tap and hold on the widget, and then a pop-up will appear, and you can either edit the widget or edit the home screen, or tap the minus to remove the widget. Then you tap remove. Now this has been a quick video showing you how to add and remove widgets using iOS 15 on your iPhone. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please give us a like, ring the bell, share, and comment. And we will see you in our next video.